conveniently located to interstates, universities, schools, base, shipyard, minutes from downtown Norfolk and downtown Portsmouth. This 1,600 square foot home has been meticulously kept, featuring a formal dining room, spacious kitchen, with stainless steel appliances, and huge family room. Half bath and laundry room are both readily accessible on the first floor. Nice sized bedrooms with a huge primary bedroom and wall-to-wall close. 2-car driveway space and plenty of off-street parking. Carpet and home have been professionally cleaned and move-in ready.